I think this is most of us now. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And in this one I joined a Cape Town's breakfast run. So I didn't vlog anything in the car. I was panicking because of my clutch pedal was wobbly, like a bush came out of it. So I just tried to get that sorted. Anyway, I'm just getting a little bit of fuel and then I should be good to go. It looks like I'm early. Yeah, it should be a fun run. I was late but the first to arrive. Cape Town's time never fails. But Tariq's here now. I think this is most of us now. I'm out here with big boys of these little 130 kilowatt Mk2 Golf. Breakfast of champions over here. It's a nice small group, so it should be fun. We shouldn't have lots of issues of losing people. Yeah, it should be nice. These cars make a good noise. is a very bumpy section. Extremely bumpy. Let's see how the car does because it's quite low now. Can't cruise around Redhill, that's not how it works. Like on me. I missed almost all of that. Yeah, this is the Redhill stop. Went a bit slower than I would have liked to, but the car, actually the suspension is not that bad around Redhill, which I expected it to be way worse. Apologies for the wind noise, but yeah, that was fun. I love being able to do mountain roads again. I'm very happy. So Tariq just lined us up, and I only noticed now that it's just black and white cars, which is quite cool. It looks awesome. The only car here with a single exhaust pipe, as Tariq noted. So we stopped off. We need to find a different way. I'm not too sure what we're gonna do. I'm just following. But yeah, I changed GoPro batteries, so I should be good to go. And that is one of the reasons why I don't want to change the windscreen. I really hope you guys can hear me. The roads are going to be busy here now, so I don't think we'll be able to really enjoy it. Yeah, there's a lot of traffic. Having a lovely scenic drive over here. It's clearing up. He's probably gonna floor it. Yeah, it's beautiful out here. I really miss doing this. Definitely gonna do way more of these now that I have a car that can do it. You know, just South Africa things. And E92, those downshifts are just so nice. I don't think you guys can hear it though. These downshifts aren't too bad either. know, but I realize this is UCT. I think this is going to be the final destination. I had so much fun. I actually can't wait to do more of these. Track day next week, which is going to be epic. The suspension didn't do too badly on the bumpy roads. I just needed to be cautious on the brakes because it's just so easy to lock them up. But yeah, really good car. Yeah, that was a fun run. I know I said that many times. But yeah, very enjoyable. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope the footage looks decent. Apologies if it's not. Like and subscribe if you haven't already.